Okay, so let's look at sentences. So sentences have at least one clause in them. And a clause is saying something, telling someone, or asking someone to do something. So it's simply saying, simply communicating in a sentence with subjects, verbs and objects. Okay, so a sentence could simply be one word: verb, drink, walk, talk, learn, drive, write, read, listen, play, swim and beyond. So verb, action, doing word, action. And then we have object, the thing we interact with. This is water. This is water. This is water. This is a pen. Object. This is a pen. Well, this is a pair of glasses. Whiteboard. Okay? Object. Then we have subject. It's who. So they. Who? They only drink water, or they drink water. They, I drink water. So subject, verb, object. And that is a simple clause which makes a sentence, the building blocks of sentences. I teach English. So I teach English. I, subject, verb, object, English. I teach English. You learn English. I learn Spanish. Makes sense. So subject, verb, object. And these things are the clauses. They make up the clause. One clause. It could be simply one word: drink. This, or this is water, or they only drink water. That's a clause. And a sentence has at least one clause. So one plus. Sometimes there could be one clause, that's it. Sometimes it could have two clauses, 3 maybe, 4 is possible. Anything beyond that, and you want to look at making sentences shorter, quite possibly. But sentences have at least one clause, and a clause could at least be one word: verb, action, drink, walk, talk, learn, write, read, and beyond. How cool is that, language? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.